Hello and welcome to Kill the Can. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you how to post roll because a lot of new people have trouble with roll. Okay, I'm sitting here at the forum index, as you can see, and you can also see that there's a whole bunch of subforums down here. Feel free to browse all those subforums. In fact, I would highly recommend you read everything in those subforums. But this is about posting roll, and posting roll is done in a quick group. So we're going to go to the quick group subforum. Scroll down and you'll see that the quick groups are organized by year, and within each year there's quit months. Okay, when I get down here, you can see this is the current year, 2015, and all the quit months. There's some months that are Hall of Fame and some that are pre-Hall of Fame. It just means that these people have not reached 100 days nicotine free, and these people down here have. The next thing you need to do is figure out which month is yours. Pretty simple. Look at the dates below each month. Find where your day one, or the first day you stopped using nicotine, falls. And let's say it falls between these two dates right here. Then June is your quit group. And June will be when you hit 100 days nicotine free, or the Hall of Fame. Okay, the months have a number of pages in them. As people make posts, obviously the page number increases. Page 1 is going to be the oldest post. Page 91 is going to be the newest post. So we're going to go to page 91 because we want to find the newest, latest, most recently posted roll so that we can quote that and post our roll. So I'm going to scroll down, and if you notice real quick, the higher you are in the page 20 minutes ago, the older the post is. So if you look, see 44 minutes ago. Okay, so as I scroll down, the posts get newer. Okay, you can see them one right after the other. These are all roll posts. So this is just a conversational post. And coming up here is a roll post. Okay, you get this long list of names. You get the title of your month, the date of today, where you quit number one day falls between. Bunch of links to check out and read, especially spend some time in Words of Wisdom. Knowledge will empower you to quit, and that is probably the best knowledge on the entire internet about quitting nicotine. Control A, Control X, Control V. Those are some of the steps you're going to use to post roll, and I'll show you more about those. And then there's two sections of quitter names. There's the quitters that belong in this month, and then support, which is quitters from other months coming in to lend support to you. Okay, so that's a roll post. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add your name at the bottom of the list of quitters from your month. Okay, that way everybody else on the list is included, and you add yourself to the end of the list of the quitters from this month. The last thing I'm going to do before I go ahead and quote this roll post is I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page and make sure it doesn't say posting down here. If it does, it'll say like posting and then a name. That means somebody else is actually posting right now. So what you want to do is hit refresh. So go up here and hit the refresh button. Some computers it's F5, and keep refreshing. Could be 3, 4, 5 times. Could take a few minutes until the person's done. When they're done, go find their post. If it's a roll, you're going to want to use their roll post. That way, their name will be included on your roll post, and you won't bump them off. Bumping happens, but we try to avoid it. So this is the latest roll post. Still on the highest numbered page. There's no other roll posts below it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit quote. If you notice at the bottom of each post, there's a quote button. So if I look at the next post below it, see there's a quote button. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and quote. And the goal here now is to take everything from the lower box and put it into this upper box. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click, and you can see my cursor's in this lower box and it's kind of highlighted in blue. Then I can do Control A, that'll select everything. Control X, that'll cut everything. Now I'm going to move my cursor up here, click in the upper box, now it's highlighted. Control V, and it's all pasted. Now I just need to add my roll post. I move up to the quitters from this month, and you can see here is supporters. Right here, support, and up here is the quitters. So I want to add my name just below Travis. So I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to put in and then your day. So you want to put your name and your date, and then anything you want to add after that. You don't have to add anything. You can say whatever you feel like with an exclamation mark. How's that? So your name, your quit days, those are required. The rest is optional. Try to keep this brief, but you can say whatever you want there. At this point, we're ready to go ahead and come down here and hit the post reply button, and that'll post your roll. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, there's me, there's my roll 1 minute ago. And if I come down, you can see your post here, and everything looks good. And then we're going to kind of take note of the last person on this column. So it's highway. And Travis was just above me. And I'm just going to scroll up to the previous roll post and make sure that it's highway. And it's Travis. So everything's good. I didn't bump anybody. Nobody snuck in there with a post while I was doing mine. So we're all good. That's it. Your roll is posted. Your word has been given. This is not a status report. This is a promise to everybody on this site that you will not use Nick for today. Tomorrow morning, you do it all over again. You make your promise and you take nicotine off the table. Thank you.